For number 11, we have two absolute values, or absolute values on both sides. Now this actually isn't going to change too much on how we do the problem. I still am going to break it up into two branches. I'm still going to get rid of the absolute value bars. Again, the right-hand side is what you make one of them positive, one of them negative. So this will be the positive side, and then this one will be the negative version of it. So I'm going to put negative parentheses 2x plus 1. So it's like this is our positive branch, this is our negative branch. And I need to solve for it in both of them. So if I subtract 2x from both sides here, I have 2x minus 9 is equal to 1. If I add 9 to both sides, 2x is equal to 10. And divide both sides by 2, x is equal to 5. And if I go to the other branch, that negative sign, I do want to distribute that. So that'll be negative 2x minus 1. And then I need to solve for x here, so if I add 2x to both sides, then I'm going to get 6x minus 9 is equal to negative 1. If I add 9 to both sides, then 6x is equal to 8. Then divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 8 over 6. And I need to reduce. So your calculator can actually reduce, or if you just take both the top and the bottom and divide it by 2, then this is going to be equal to 4/3. If you do want to reduce on the calculator, if you type 8 divided by 6 and then go to the math button on the left, it's underneath the alpha key. And then the very first command is an arrow with a fraction. If you press enter, what this does is it normally converts decimals to fractions, but it also reduces fractions as well. So if you press enter, it should tell you the 4/3. So anytime we're doing fractions, our calculator should be able to do it. If you have any questions about that, just please email me, or you can contact me in Zoom. But anytime with fractions, our calculator should be able to handle it.